For the tools and techniques you need to make or repair bags, shoes, clothing, and much more, this is the Ohio Travel Bag Workshop. Today we're going to show you how to set an oblong screw-together eyelet. Screw-together eyelets are similar to a regular eyelet because they reinforce holes in material. However, screw-together eyelets are typically used for more heavy-duty material or heavy-duty projects. Before we get started, we want to make sure we have the right tools. You'll need a screw-together eyelet, cutting block, a leather awl, scissors or an X-Acto blade, and optionally Loctite glue. Now that we have our tools, we're going to cut the hole out of the material. Place the top of your eyelet on the material. Using a leather awl, mark the inside of the eyelet. Use scissors or an X-Acto blade to cut a hole. Once the hole is cut, place the male part of the eyelet on the cutting block. The male part is slightly smaller in width and will fit snug into the female part. Then, we're going to screw together the eyelet. Place the screws in the eyelet and use a Phillips head screwdriver to tighten. Use a small amount of Loctite glue if you want to ensure that the screw stays tight. And there you have it. That's how you set an oblong screw-together grommet. Try it for yourself. You can find all of these tools and more at ohiotravelbag.com.